Catalog number 12 is born in April, a bay stallion and bred by 4 Romans 1, Franziskus, Florestan 1 and Sandro Song. This young man is full brother to Fine Touch, the premium stallion of our licensing last year. His mother is half-sister to State Premier Brillante by Bellissimo M, champion mare of the Westphalian Elite Show 2009, and Royal Flush W, the Grand Prix successful son of Rockwell. It's the Westphalian Damline 398 of the sires Diavolo 1 and 2, Damenheld 1 and 2, Bertolini by Bellissimo M, premium stallion of the licensing 2010, and Renoir 1 and 2 by Romadur.